If you sell stuff online and you make sales pages from WordPress, what I'm going to show you is going to excite you very much. You see, this is a must-have tool for every marketer who sells stuff online and creates pages using WordPress. What I have done is created a WordPress plugin that has 15 buttons in your visual editor. These 15 buttons right here, each button is full of power and punch as it adds all kinds of marketing stuff to your WordPress sales pages. Let me just show you. Stuff like bullets, stuff like all kinds of one-time offer graphics and phrases, stuff like automatically like guarantee boxes. Here's another one. These are just fascinating. Like the one click of a button adds this, and I can type any text that I want in there. Or secure order forms and automatically putting buttons in there. And you can put bullets right here or any text that you want. And here's another one. With a click of one button, automatically putting price tables with 3 columns where you can put your bullet points right here and have these sign up buttons go to different links and checkouts, all with one button. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to bring you right into my dashboard here, and I'm just going to give you a preview of each of these 15 buttons, all 15 of these. First is your bullets and numbers. You'll see that there's a number of bullets and it also has numbers. So I can click right there, put in the number 5, and it'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullets automatically, and click on insert. You see that? Now if I click on update, like I just did, and I saved it, and I go and I right click and I view page, you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can put my list item right here. Let me go back and show you some more wonderful stuff. I can create Johnson boxes. I can put it, for example, 500 width. I can have a border of 3. I can have the border style dashed or dotted or solid or double lined or groove or whatever. I'll make it solid. I can have the border color any color that I want. I can have a drop shadow around the border. I can have a border radius. I can make the corners rounded if I wanted to or not. And I can pick any background color. So if I wanted some funky color like this, I can simply click on insert. Here's the text right here. I can add some text. Here's the opening bracket and there's a closing bracket. I can add text right there, and I can click on update. I'm clicking on update, and let me just go to my view page here. I'll right click once again. I'll view page, and there is my Johnson box with my funky background, and I can change any type. I can put bullets in there. I can put an order button in there. I can pick rounded corners or a dashed border that's red or any color that I want. Anything that I want to do, any size. But I'm not done yet. Let me just show you some other cool stuff. We got add to cart buttons, a whole bunch of them. And these are amazing with circles around them, blue, green, red, silver, and the famous yellow and orange. So I can easily pick this one right here, and I can come down here, I can put in the URL if it's going to go to the same window or a new. Click on insert, and orange, and it puts a short code right there. And click on update, and this will be automatically centered too. It'll be automatically centered. Let me click on view page. You see that? There's a nice buy button right there. Right there. Isn't that cool? Let me show you some other cool stuff. Let me come back here. Here is my internet marketing phrases. All kinds of cool stuff. Click below to order, limited time offer, sign below, limited time offer, expose, one time offer, yours free, special offer, wait, free, real for the first time. Then it's got unadvertised bonus 1, 2, and 3 in different colors. It's got, and I can add to this, 100% money back guarantee. I can add to this. It's got all kinds of neat phrases, complete no-brainer, and more cool stuff. Okay, I can simply add those to my sites. Let me continue here. I also got what's called banners. I can easily create a banner. This is really cool. I can have it numbered, or I could have it with no number at all. Let me just show you an example. I'm going to choose red, and I'm going to choose the one that has a number. I can click on there. I can put my test, and it's going to automatically put the word my test in the headline, and I can pick the number. So let me just say, for example, I'm going to pick the number 5. All right, just so I show you how it works. Click on insert, and you can see right here, you can put your text right here. Here is the opening, and there's a closing bracket. And let me just make this a little bit bigger, because it's a little bit funky if it's not high enough for sample. All right, so let me just save this, and I'm just saving this right now, updating it. Okay, it's saving it, and let me view page, right click and open up a new link, and here it is right there. You see that? So it put my test in the middle, it put a number 5 in the corner there, and you can put anything that you want right here. I can put anything that I want right there. So let's it has 3 different colors. It has the blue, green, and the red. It's very, very cool. But I'm not done here. Let me show you some more cool stuff. It's also got testimonials. I can add all these images, and also it creates I can put an image in here really, really fast. So for example, let me just show you how cool this is. I'm going to pick this one right here, and I have an image already saved here. Here's an Oprah Winfrey image. I'm going to click insert, and let me just update. You can put any image URL in there, and it'll automatically resize it and put it in the left-hand upper corner automatically. Super fast. Let me just view this page. There it is right there. You see how it automatically put that image in the top left corner, and the padding is perfect around it, and so forth. Very, very fast, very, very cool. I'm not done yet. Let me show you some more cool stuff. Not only does it have testimonials, but also has guarantees boxes, and all of these are really, really cool. And it's got a 30-day and 60-day, also secure order forms. Okay, and you can put text in here. You can put bullet points in there, anything that you want. So it has that as well. Another thing that it has is nice, cool headline fonts. So this is, I really like this a lot. So for example, I'm going to use impact. I'm going to make it, for example, I'm going to make it 60 size. I'm going to have a nice darker red to start with. It's going to have a shadow of 3. I'm going to put a shadow around the text. I'm going to have it, the line spacing is going to be around 100, and I'm going to click on insert. Now this is the text. Okay, this is the text. I'm going to put this is my cool headline. Oops, I got to spell test with a very, oops, my typing is, all right. So that's my header. I'll save that, and I will show you how this headline font maker, how cool it is. I'll just view the page now, and there it is right there. You see how it's got a nice headline font, and it's got different font styles. It's got a nice shadow. See the shadow that it produces, and it's very, very powerful. Okay, so from here I will also have, and we'll move on to line breaks. Anytime you're creating sales pages, you have different content sections, and so I can have line breaks. There's a whole bunch of different styles and colors and that you can choose from for line breaks. For example, if I wanted to have this and different widths that it has as well. So if I wanted to have this line break, I could just have it right there, and I can click on update, and I'll just show you what a line break is. It's for separating content on your sites, and it's just a little line. See, like that? So on the top here you'd put some content, on the bottom you'd put another, for example on the top it could be testimonial boxes, and then you'd switch from testimonial boxes to your order form below the line break. You see that? Very, very cool, very effective. And let's just move on here. Then we got what's cool, a cool hyperlink generator. Now I can put the URL there, for example Google, and font families. Say for example I will use this font. Let's just use Arial for right now, and I'm going to make it let's say for example 42, and let's just say I have it as red as well. Okay, make it darker red. All right, or I can have it blue, or whatever I want to do here. Okay, so I'll make it red. I'm going to have it centered. I'm going to have it bold, and it's going to open up in the same window. This URL is going to open up in the same window or new, and I can even have line spacing here, but it's only going to make it one space. So I'm going to click on Insert and enter the text right here, and I'm going to put click here for let me just move this over a little bit. Click here. Let me just move this right here. There, let's just move this. I'll show you what I'm doing here. Put the end of the bracket right there. Click here for instant access. All right, so that's it right there, and I can update this, and I'll show you the nice hyperlink that's going to generate because of that. All right, click here for instant access. I can obviously make it bigger. Just come here and make it 60, 64, and I'll click on update. I'll come here and I will refresh. All right, so let's refresh, and as you can see, it's a nice link right there of what some people will do. Let me just make it a little bit smaller. Let's just say it's, for example, it's 40, and I'm going to put an arrow right there with that symbol, and I'm going to put an arrow like that. So now it has an arrow on both sides of the phrase. I will update, and I will come right here and I will refresh, and I'll show you what it's going to look like now. You see that? And so people on your sales page, you can have little links like that with arrows, and you can make the arrows look cooler, different color, blue or green or whatever you want to do. So that's the hyperlink generator. And let me just move on here. Oh, this is a cool thing here. This is a delayed content timer. So let me just show you how this works. I'm going to put right here, and I'm going to put the delayed timer. I'm going to have it for just 5 seconds, okay? Because we're in a video here. So anything within this bracket is going to be delayed by 5 seconds, and here's the seconds right here. So let me I'll just cut this out of there, and I'll put it on the other side of this hyperlink, and I will just have it right here. Okay, so there it is right there, and let me just move this perhaps right there. So it has a delayed content, and in the middle of that is the hyperlink, and when somebody visits your page, this hyperlink is going to be delayed for 5 seconds. So let me see the end of the video. Here you got arrows, lots of different arrows that you can add, down, up, sideways, play video arrows, yours free arrows, all kinds of neat stuff. And you can have it center, left, or right. And then we got something which is cool, which is a highlight texture. And how this works, I can simply, this is, for example, turn up your speakers. So this will be the first thing that people see when they when they visit your page, and I'll put a video right here, And I can just highlight that with my mouse, click on this button. I can choose any color that I want. It's default yellow. And click on Insert. And it'll automatically put that color around this text. I'll click on Update. And this let me refresh here. Open a new link in a new window. And there it is right there. You see that? Turn up your speakers. So that's how easy it is. From here, last but not least, one of the great things is called price tables. I can open this up. This is amazing. I can pick what color I want. For example, I'll pick red. I can put on the top it says standard, pro, or premium. I can put whatever word I want in there. I can put the price. I can put dollar. I could put a euro. I could put anything that I want in the price. I can have it per month or a one-time fee. And here's where you put your bullet points on the price table. So blah, you see, and blah. You see, I'm just going to, I'm not even going to do it here just for time's sake. And here's where you can put your URLs for your different sign-up buttons. There's different sign-up buttons. And here's where your URLs go. And it can be a same window or a new window. And so all you need to do is click on Insert. And it adds that real fast. And I will click on Update. I'm going to show you a trick here, how fast this can be. And I'm going to click on View Page. I'll view this page, and you can see how fast that was. That's how fast it was. Now I'm going to show you a real trick. In the shortcode, it has there's obviously 5 different colors. And you can do this with any of the images. There's 5 different colors, and each of them has a shortcode style. So this one is red. So if I wanted to go to the black, I just click on the letter B and click on Update. And it's still saving it. And now I can refresh. You see that? It turned it black. I don't need to redo the whole thing. All I need to do is simply change that style from R to B. I can change it to green by simply clicking on G. And for green, clicking the save, and I can refresh, and that's the green. You see that? And so I really encourage you. This is the complete marketing tool set. 15 shortcode buttons. This is a little bit of a tutorial as well, but pick it up. It works like gangbusters, and I'm adding to it. I'm adding smaller images for fan pages. I'm adding all kinds of neat stuff. I'm adding 2 more buttons. One of them is going to be for an image slider. It's going to be right here, an image slider, and another button is going to be for social sharing button for adding Facebook and Twitter and things like that. So that's the internet marketing tool set for WordPress blogs. Pick it up today. It works like gangbusters, works with every theme. And if there's any questions at all, please email our support desk and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you. This is Mark Deluxe signing